To worship you, I live to worship you. Oh, to worship you, I live to worship you, I live to worship you. For the best way to change. Just shower. No, that's where you're from where? From Nigeria. No wonder you go with your wife. You just shop anything. I know how to talk navigations and they sleep straight because now they talk like food. What's your name? Bosse. Can you speak Yoruba? Can you speak Yoruba? Why go there? I'm just showering. Why go come on? Give us our.
What's the Ronke?
Go away. Yeah, you're free. Are you still coming back? Show me by God's grace or by person. You go come back and say by God's grace. No one come before. By God's grace or yeah. You know that's what somebody do for church. Somebody spread, they pray. Now I get one guy for 1 year. Anytime they pray for church, I talk to they speak. They speak in tongues, the problem not the church. What you know how speak, not speak. Every time but when the thing who come, only one I tell God say, fuck that, they hear myself now. Change my story. Before I go talk to one. Cameraman, photographer, you don't eat. Don't eat. Ask him this, let me remember Worry man. Worry photographer. Worry photographer will snap you. When they snap you, you not get the deal. But when they bring the picture, you get. You know they say, but I don't get the deal. I say, no worry, now so you will be lazy. So they give you the deal now. So you get the last. I will tell you, you are black. The things where they work for white people, not they work for black people. Whether they try to talk, if you walk here, not try and come Nigeria, come say you won't try and then you don't go work. Other stuff like when picking they call Papa by the first name. You see white boy they call the Papa James. I hate you, James. Your Papa. So you might say you wake up one morning, look at Obama and say, get it up. I'll tell you. The thing will happen to you, you don't like yourself. Now some of our worry boys see that they watch people because you have one white ball. They quarrel with the Papa. You not finished. It's all the 2 minutes. Okay? I not take a person. But you are going and nobody wants to drink again. Who doesn't? Small. Small. This way you yourself. So they call lifted. I am lifted. It's not like when you are a woman to go out to you get to reach like this. As in a rich house. I don't say that. Ladies, now the package guy. But seriously, the kind of things when they do us, imagine someone doing the back. Like all this eyelashes, fingernails, all these things come wear, go up again. So imagine that same man, you there for church, you see man wear long sleeve. As you look at it, they see 6-pack through the long sleeve, not say full cloth. You can't like the man in a two Richard. And I just see the man just put the shirt, come out, walk off. How you go feel? That give it is when I go so. You go see woman fine for a program like this, fine girl. And I go reach out when she come out, you know that when they don't break that they go. Now therefore Nigeria when they tell people if you want to get away fine, and doing that matter. Go to get house for money. Because you never wake up. You know it's on guess in your color. When you're gonna Ronke, you say, see person face me like Asian Sudan. Seriously, there's a windows. There's packaging. There's a package. Woman will take like this, go weird. I know that this one can climb the ladder. Enter the shoe, go up. They have things for the ministry to flow. And this is Messi, the guy win best player, world best player 4 times. He not speak English. Chaka, we dey kill ourselves. Now we don't put suits. You are my neighbors. Waiting. That's why. I don't know if you. I know some of you have been looking at me. Akpororo. This guy just came into this place and they're speaking vernacular using pidgin. I'm not saying because like vernacular, not to crack the joke. So if white man there now, you'll notice that they laugh. You know they hear me. But that is the grace upon my life. You go laugh. You know they hear me when you laugh. So I sit down and check all these people, them great men, great women. Some of them speak English. But then they make wave. But Nigerian people now, we just want to kill ourselves. Speak out the way if you speak out. Now when you carry that matter, nobody come off your man. I didn't carry. The two way carry, waiting the body. But you tear change. Tear change. All this is some ladies for Nigeria and some girls. Some not sabi speak English at all, but they can package. Yes. And so two they walk out the other day, another one see them. That was like, oh my God, she don't believe that. Tracy, I came to your house yesterday, you didn't date. Speak, you don't speak, leave them. You know, but you tell us, I come to your house yesterday, you know they are not. Tell them. English not be my first one. Even some of the teachers, when they say, not be horse, I speak English. Not be horse. But they for schools, there for Nigeria, like, teacher, they provoke. Say, listen, in this class, you don't speak vernacular. In this class, you don't speak, listen to me. You know, they say, let's go back to the topic. Figures of speech. One boy they make noise, one worry boy. That the teacher come, he say, hey, look at me. What is wrong with you? Hey, look at all this commodity from your mouth. You are the teacher, you speak like that. I tell you what the children can progress. Oh, go live. Look at your neighbor, say, speak it away. Look at you. I be like, that's why you know, I don't know okay at all. Oh, Chris. Not be my photo. I be okay like you for years. I don't get money. I need to talk to another thing now. Somebody say, I always know normal. The boy is crazy. Now your prayer point, when it was even God will say, me, I'm not ready to win. I want it like this. That's why they bring money. I'm not doing. How about you? I don't want to have. Now before I go, I got to joke. Back to back and go.
We have a question.
Sir?
What's the show?
My show?
Yes.
A Nigeria. I'm just saying the way to ask me. I'm not saying I'm Niger. You just said which is not talk, you not talk. Not talk. You know, that's how I talk now. Don't like say, and they talk your story. So you don't relax. And now, another thing I want to talk. 3 jokes then. I'm off your face. And to make it fun. Who they talk? Like a foul. All these girls, God, in their life. Now someone do Yanga. And they look there for Nigerian girls. 2 years there for Mr. Beach. One Ajabo, one Ajabako. Ajabo the Holler. Said, you have fried rice? They said, yes. She said, microwave it. You have plantain? They said, yes, microwave it. Ajabako there for back. Just a year, microwave it. Microwave it. She don't know the video, but she the package. After Ajabo asked her, how much is my bill? They said, 2.5. She paid. Come on. Ajabako don't work out. They said, can I get a pussy soup? They say yes. Microwave it. When I get Coke, cup Coke, they say yes. Microwave it. When I get ice cream, chocolate ice cream, vanilla. Yes, they say yes. Microwave it. How much be my bill? They said 3.5. She give her 4,000. I said they give her 500. She said no. Microwave it. They microwave ice cream. I bet that's what you want. What you don't know, you need to ask. Yeah, God just won't keep any of us. Now, maybe they tell people, I don't know a hotel. You know, so that I never think like a hotel. I don't know CNS. You know, Orile. I don't think like the show, but I don't want to. And they tell them, I don't know if they walk here. Even for your 50 triumph, you go walk. In case you won't marry. And they get where you won't marry, like people they get car. Not fear. Not fear. All you just need to do now, carry key. Any key. Cupboard key, kitchen key, toilet key, wardrobe key. Any key. Just all the key, they turn out like this. Then you need to get deep voice, rich man voice. No rich man and I get that voice. Get that voice. Ladies, they like that voice. John walk out there today, do like this. Hello. She will shock up. And they tell you what I try. I go so for a hotel last 3 years. Sorry, the last 5 years. I never buy car there. Go so for a hotel, money not there, my hand show not finish. I see one get started, they wait for a violation. You know, girls only that I can have their road. Only show them this here. So when the video, just make a video, you then wash yourself. But you don't say the way they do it. You need prayer. Only you let them follow. Now someone get carrying low court. She see they do like this. And people meet and say you go get it. You go kill yourself. This is for guests when they're Ronke. You don't die. Packaging. Unless you don't know they vibrate. I can't go meet her. I don't hold the key. Or can't go and back. What is she here now? So fun. I continue. What is your name? As you love. My name is Tracy. When you come in church, right? You know they get two names just the way that one gets up there. I continue for my man. That's why when they see the walk, and I continue. I say, "Are you going my way?" He said, "Oh, okay. Where did you park?" I said, "I just now I don't get her. I love your holy key. She don't tap from the counter. Let's go." For my mind, I said, "Thank God, I don't go follow me trek." Now we start to walk out from the hotel with the walker. And they roll the key with the go. We don't need CMS. Fear nothing make the guy ask me, say, "Where is your car?" Now when we reach Holler, and the guy say, "Where is your car now?" I say, "My sister now go with the go so." Now go for a park. What do I go for? You don't need to be yourself. Everything in a package, you just like they just and you may not 90s. When you see mothers and they dance, yeah, DJ. I'm a real drummer. Drummer and keyboard is called for me. Jumping until I funk. Then, husband and wife, they go party, they're not the near each other. How many of them know? Do your mama time. If you don't know, ask them. Don't give me anything like funk, just old. Anytime, oh, that's my brother played now. He was that. As I know they hate you, since I don't spoil that. I know say for this mood, my mom not good. Why do I say? Now what? Not come. I'm gonna teach you that. Just say that Papa did this, Mama not there. You see the Papa. And don't matter, but space. Space needed space. Hold on. Mama, let's go. And don't matter. But nowadays, 2014, all these girls, destiny killers. If you see them in the dance here, she made the dance sometimes on the loop. If you see them for club, you mean anything like my cousin? Nowadays, you just see women for club. Now your joke.